Hello, today we're gonna solve this very interesting math question 8 to the power x equals to 32. It has appeared several times on Harvard entrance. So we can solve this equation by two different methods. One is by taking natural log on both sides. Let's proceed with this. We can rewrite this as log of 8 to the power x is equal to log of 32. It also means x log of 8 is equal to log of 32. So x means log of 32 upon log of 8. That also means log of 32 means log of 2 to the power 5 upon log of 2 to the power 3. That means 5 log of power 2 by 3 log of power 2. If we cancel out this log, we have now remain x equals to 5 by 3. But we can also solve this equation by a different approach. 8 to the power x equals 32. Now we can rewrite this 8 as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 to the power x equals to 2 32. So that means 2 to the power 3 to the power x equals 2 to the power 5, which also means 2 to the power 3x equals 2 to the power 5. So since we have base 2 equal on both sides, we can equate 3x equals 5. That means x equals 5 upon 3. That is our final answer from both of these methods.